Thanks for joining us at the virtual Café La Mancha.
Yes, today we're going to share one of our favorite recipes for chip dipping. It is called the Bean Dip of La Mancha. Clever.
This is Will and his sister Caitlin. They're going to show you how it gets put together.
Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 can of refried beans, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of cumin. 2 large avocados and 2 teaspoons of grated onions. A cup of sour cream and 2 cups of Mexican blend grated cheese. For toppings, you'll need 1 cup of green onions chopped, a cup of chopped tomatoes, and half a cup of black olives sliced.
You can also add some other fun toppings like the ones you'll see us use.
Well, I do believe it's time to get to work. Open your can of beans and mash them up in a small bowl. Add the garlic powder and the cumin.
You may need to add a bit of sour cream to get it to spread easily. I know I always do.
Good tip, Poncho, my old friend. Now get out a large platter and using a spatula, spread the bean mixture evenly.
The next part is very important. Ask your mom or dad to cut the avocados in half lengthwise and remove the seeds.
Scoop the insides into another small bowl and add the grated onion.
Mash it all up with a fork until it is smooth and spreadable. Then add it carefully on top of your bean layer.
As you spread it, be sure to keep it half an inch from the edge all the way around. Now you can add the sour cream in the same manner.
This is starting to look tasty, huh? Now add a layer of shredded cheese and you are almost done.
You have a decision to make now. You can finish the recipe with the rest of the toppings, which looks like this.
Or you can try something artistic and make little vegetable faces on top like Will and Caitlin are doing.
Either way you choose, I think you'll agree that this is one great bean dip.
And unlike Don's extra spicy hot sauce, you won't get nightmares from eating this with chips.
Ah, true, Poncho.
Well, that does it for us. Thanks for stopping in at the Café La Mancha, where the food and service are par excellence.
Stop by anytime.